How's it guys? So let's have a look at the market. So you can see it absolutely ripped last night and during the morning. So let's have a look and see where it can go. Obviously, this is very bullish sign for crypto. And it's mainly because of the dominance, right? So when you have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, it's at 50.93, right? It's the highest it's been in 2 years. So the Bitcoin dominance has been pumping. So this is why the altcoins haven't really rallied as much as Bitcoin in the past couple of days, okay? So the next level for the Bitcoin DOM is probably this 53 area. Yeah. So if price taps into that zone, we could look at longing a lot of different altcoins and putting some capital in throughout the altcoin market. But obviously there are a few altcoins that have popped off, but not as much. You can see it's around about like 1%. I think Matic did quite well yesterday, but nothing too crazy like what Bitcoin's doing. So very interesting what's happening at the moment. Um, yeah, Matic still has a beautiful range that needs to happen here. So once we see a break over here, we can see a 31% increase with the next couple of days. We just need to see the Bitcoin DOM start to turn around. But the next real resistance is this 53 zone. So we have to wait and see over here. Okay. So let's have a look back at Bitcoin to just see what we can expect for today. Okay, so let's have a look at this chart a bit more clearer. Yeah. And then we'll go over Ethereum as well. Where's that chart? Let me just grab it. It's not loading my. There we go. Okay, so like I was saying in the last couple of videos, right? This was the area where price tapped into, and obviously it broke this level. Yeah. So we tapped into this 25K zone. A lot of people were longing this area. Beautiful area to take along. I was telling people to do that. Personally, I did put a few bit of my capital into some altcoins. I didn't actually put it into Bitcoin, but I did buy some alts at that price because I know that the altcoin rally is yet to come. Okay, so we haven't seen anything yet for the altcoins. So let's have a look at this. We did see this break of this trend line over here. Yeah, so when you're drawing this, we did see this break over here. So it's very bullish, right? It's very bullish. We need to have a see where the next real resistance is. And on the daily time frame, it's around about 29, 400, this area over here. Okay. So this is the next real zone. I would be looking to short that area just because of all these wicks in this area. But at the moment, it's still bullish. The 4 hour candle, let's have a look. Yeah, we're probably going to tap into that 29, 400, 500 today potentially. So let's wait for that to happen. And if price hits that zone, we could possibly look for a short at that area. So keep that in mind for what I would be looking at. So if we actually bring this up, because on the 4 hour you can see where the wicks are. 29,700, 29,500 would be the area. Okay, because we've taken out these highs over here, right? So we've taken out this resistance. Yeah, closed above. If this next 4 hour candle does close bearish, we can look at a potential short back down to this area here. Let's have a look. Yeah, a potential short back down to 27,700. But we need to see that 4 hour candle close below this level here at 26,700. Yeah, I mean 28,700. So yeah, at the moment I wouldn't take a trade for Bitcoin as of yet, just because of what's happening. But it does look very bullish. I would expect maybe that's 29,500 within today or tomorrow. Then have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum looks very clean as well. If we take a look at the daily time frame, you can see I was speaking about this inverse head and shoulders. So it played out perfectly right. I didn't actually take this trade, but it was a setup I was looking at. It was the early mornings of this morning that actually we got this breakout. So, but looking at this right now, we need to see a break of this trend line. Okay, so once we see a break of this trend line over here, then we can expect prices to come back up to test this level here at around about 1920. Then we have these highs, and then obviously the 2000s. Okay, so looks very bullish at the moment. We'll have to see if there could be a minor retracement and then a breakout to the upside. So we'd have to wait for that. We have a look at the 4-hour chart. Let's see. Yeah, I mean it's very bullish. We do have this level here. Okay. Yeah. So this 1815 area is where I'd probably look for potential short. Because if we bring the fib to that level, so we take it from the low to the high, okay. So let's just take it, expecting it's going to come to there, right? We could look at a potential short at that zone. Okay. Stops above this high. We just target this 0.5 around about 1790. Because there will be a retracement within today. So I'm not too sure when. This could be a potential fake out and then we come back down. But essentially, this looks like we may get a retracement within the current day. So just be aware of that. And then obviously Bitcoin's coming up nicely. So yeah, that's my update for the market. Obviously, it's very, very bullish. If you did buy spots, it's a good idea. You know, this could be a potential start of the next bull run. Because a lot of people obviously are still waiting for that 20,000, that 15,000. But I do think that may be the bottom. So yeah, if you didn't buy, just obviously just watch how you manage your funds. But yeah, thanks again, guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. It was a short update, nothing too crazy. But looking at a potential short at 29,600, and then for ETH a potential short at 1850 within today.